Since you've found your way to this video, you're likely someone who deals with projects in one way or another. You may even be thinking about adopting Clickup yourself. Whether you're a project manager, part of a project team, or just an average Joe, we all deal with projects. More specifically, we all deal with small tasks on a day-to-day basis. Hi, my name is Joey. If you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe and hit that bell icon for more updates. Please check the first link in the description for free sign-up. Let's get started. If you deal with projects in your business life, you understand how easily big projects can become unorganized. Luckily, software has developed over the last decade that helps business people better manage their projects. Having a good understanding of projects will make understanding Clickup much easier. Take a look at this overview of project management. What is Clickup? Clickup is a project management tool that aims to make your business life easier. Try it for free from the first link in the description. The founders decided to make their own tool because due to their dissatisfaction with the tools offered at the time. The end result is a straightforward, user-friendly solution made for any business. Clickup employs a hierarchy of views to organize your business's projects. The tiers of this hierarchy are as follows: teams, spaces, projects, lists, tasks, subtasks. These tiers begin very broad with teams and descend into the most specific subtasks. For more information and try it for absolutely free from the first link in the description. Hurry up!